So this is a Caradco window, casement window from 1993. A lot of it's in good shape. But I've removed this style. And here's the bottom. Not so good shape at all. So I got some treated material, Home Depot. They're 4x4s that I cut down on a tiny little table saw. I can't complain. I was able to get it together. Didn't have a dado blade, but, well, I cut a bunch of them. A bunch of kerfs. So the profile ends up like this, which is, well, almost like this one. I ended up getting this a little wide, so I'll probably have to use silicone to make up for it. Let's see, I think I'm backwards. Let me see here. That's the cladding side. So yeah, it actually goes it actually goes like this, I believe. So I'm ready to cut up the pieces. I'm going to replace this one. And then I guess I'll replace this side one as well, just because the end is so gnarled. In order to get the cladding off, you pretty much have to disassemble the stiles. There's a screw that, well, used to be there. And here and here, and then, well, it's just hard to get them off, but you can get them off. And then the cladding can come off. So this is where I am on the new ones. Again, I've profiled this just a bit so that it's angled, and I think it's going to snap on with a little effort, maybe. Yeah, well, anyway, that's going to work. I'll probably have to use some silicone on this edge, make sure water doesn't get underneath it, and maybe the top edge, then work it back on this gasket. Anyway, we'll see you next time on once I've machined the ends with all this, well, this sort of detail right here.